All right, so if you could follow along would be best, just at your own risk. Mind anything that might be approaching pain and work around at the edges of it. So this stretch session, I was meditating on at this point in front of my heels, the weight and balance of my body in through the front of the heels. So keep that focus for a while. So I'm tipping the feet back and forth as if they're edging two pair of skis on complementing edges. So feet tip right, feet tip left. And then just working and exploring the stretch um, at different ranges of motion, at the limits of my range of motion with this squat and bend over. And then I slowly move into something else that moved me, which you should do in your meditation stretching. I just create some movements that explore issues in your body. I have a lot of liver related pain. My rib cage is chronic a bit, so this is common for me to work it. So moved into a wider stance, and I'm actually going to pull my feet into the mat. Okay, like I'm trying to bring my feet together as I'm pulling, tipping my feet back and forth to move to the sides. Functional tension in the groin, inside of the legs. I've moved this balance exercise into the hamstrings, the back of the legs, and by keeping the feet narrow in this stance, you'll definitely have some twitching going on to keep your balance, twitching in the feet. Feel that pressure through the front of the heel on that front foot. And then I'm just exploring the hamstring part of my rib cage, the organs in my lower back. The lower back's a house for like the kidneys. So this hamstring stretch helps relieve some of the tension on that lower back house. Explore with tipping both feet, left and right, together as well in this. So you'll notice that this left leg, when I raise it up behind me, actually it's my right leg, I have a lot more trouble with it because I have so much, it almost feels like inflammation in the right side of my trunk, the rib cage around the liver. Something I'm working on. That lower back and that hip doesn't function as well either. but this leg did not raise as high. Benefits of videotaping your meditations. Do it. Can you see balance? Parallel legs, parallel feet, but balance. Body's moving over both skis. Right through the heels.